Before buying a car vacuum, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. KMM 9000 Pascals Handheld Vacuum. First up, we have the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, priced at just $22.44. This model really caught my attention with its dual function as both a vacuum and air duster. If you want an affordable yet powerful option for quick cleanups, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a suction power of 9,000 pascals and a 120W motor, it can handle everything from crumbs to pet hair. Plus, the 4,000 mAh battery gives you about 30 minutes of runtime, making it perfect for those unexpected messes. The vacuum charges in just 2.5 hours, so you won't be waiting around long. Also, it comes with multiple nozzles for different cleaning scenarios, meaning you can tackle everything from your car to your keyboard. This genuinely surprised me. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being enough for larger messes. Here's the thing though, while it might struggle with a full car cleanup, it's still a fantastic option for quick jobs or smaller vehicles. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with minor spills in your car or home. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty vacuum for big cleanups. For the price, it's definitely a solid investment. Now, if the battery life of the KMM bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KMM 10000Pa Handheld Vacuum. Next, we have another KMM model, the 10000Pa Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. At $22.98, this one boosts the power with a 10,000 Pascal suction capability. If you want to step up in performance for a little more, this could be your go-to. It really shines with its 120W motor that spins at 84,000 revolutions per minute, making it incredibly effective at picking up debris, sand, and even stubborn pet hair. You'll appreciate that it also includes a Type-C charging port for faster charging. Fully charged in just 3 hours, you can expect about 30 minutes of cleaning. It's equipped with multiple accessories for various tasks, which makes it quite adaptable. Some users mentioned that the design can feel a bit bulky over extended use. But honestly, with the power this vacuum packs, it's a minor trade-off for the performance you gain. This is ideal for pet owners or anyone who frequently cleans their car. Skip this if you're looking for a vacuum that's ultra lightweight. For the price, it offers great value, especially with that suction power. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, KMM 10000Pa Rechargeable Vacuum. Moving on, we have another KMM 10000Pa Handheld Vacuum, priced the same at $22.98. This one looks similar, but it's also a bestseller. So let's see what makes it unique. With the same 10,000 Pascal suction, it's great for cleaning up your car and home. The 5,200 mAh battery also supports fast charging, so you won't be stuck waiting around. It's lightweight at just over a pound, making it easy to handle. The multiple nozzles are especially handy for tight spaces and surfaces like upholstery or keyboards. Some reviews pointed out that the battery could drain quickly during heavy usage. Here's my take. If you're primarily using it for quick cleanups, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you often need a quick solution for everyday messes. Skip this if you require long, continuous use without interruptions. You're getting fantastic features for the price. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next option is a real contender. Product number 4, ThisWorks Car Vacuum Cleaner. Next, let's talk about the ThisWorks Car Vacuum Cleaner. At $19.49, it's a bit cheaper, but offers some compelling features. If you want something simple yet effective for everyday spills, this is worth looking into. With a 106W motor and a cyclonic force design, it tackles dirt and debris like a champ. The 12V power cord connects directly to your car, and the 16-foot cable gives you plenty of reach. This is especially useful for those hard-to-reach spots in larger vehicles. With its 3 attachments, it's designed specifically for car interiors, making it a solid choice for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. However, some users found the power cord limiting if you're trying to clean outside of the car. But here's the thing. If your focus is on car cleaning, that long cord is actually a benefit. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable vacuum specifically for your car. Skip it if you need a vacuum for home use. For the price point, it's a great option. Now, if you need something even more portable, let's check out the last product. Product number 5, Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum. Last but not least, we have the Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum, priced at $77.99. I know it's on the pricier side, but if you want serious suction power in a compact design, this is for you. With a whopping 19,000 Pascal suction, thanks to its 80,000 revolutions per minute motor, it can handle almost any mess with ease. The Type-C charging means you can charge it conveniently, and the one-touch empty feature is a game-changer for quick cleanups. It's also super lightweight at just 1.1 pounds, making it easy to carry around. On the downside, it only runs for about 13 minutes on max mode, which might not be enough for bigger jobs. But honestly, if you just need something for quick touch-ups, this vacuum excels. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance handheld vacuum for your car or small tasks. Skip this if you need a vacuum for extended cleanups. For those looking for compact power, it's worth the investment. So, to recap, the Can-Am vacuums provide excellent value for quick cleanups, while the ThisWorks model is a budget-friendly choice for car interiors. Finally, the Slim V8 Apex stands out for its powerful suction, but at a higher price. Each has its strengths based on your specific needs. Choose wisely